Okay, I'm going to show you the restrooms. This is the lobby area. This is a one thing I did do is I made these moldings here on the job around the doors. So we did spray these. And I think the reason why we made them here was because you can see this molding over here if it's tight to the wall and it's not as large as the other one. So, but when you open up the restroom door, the light automatically comes on when you walk in. And I hope you can see this. This is the countertop. And again, we made the ledge and the corbels for the side are all handmade. I carved them out. I call it my lava pattern. And the mirror surround, we made like a box on the top to put the recessed lights in. And then what I've done is I've sprayed it with an epoxy so that way it's more durable. That's the sink. Now this is all solid surface with an integrated sink glued on underneath and routed edge so it looks like everything's molded in bronze. And then I made these little corbels. I don't know how we can see that the lighting in here is not really good, and I don't have any lights that would help us out here. And this is the molding around the door. And this is the men's restroom. So we'll go into the ladies' restroom now. I'll show you what that looks like. That's the storage room door. And again, when we walk in here, it's automatically going to turn the light on. It's a real neat feature. Anyways, what I did with these, normally what you see if you go into a public restroom is you see everything in here has to be for handicap. So I made the corbels to be in place of, normally what they use is a metal bracket. And I wanted something a lot more classy looking to tie in with it. So I made these corbels so that, you know, if you pulled in here with a wheelchair, you have an elegant look as well as being functional for a handicapped person. So usually handicapped countertops and whatnot are very industrial, and I wanted to give us a little bit of an elegant look in this mortuary, and so that, you know, if you are a handicapped person, you can also have elegance. You don't have to have an industrial look. So anyways, it was just an idea that I came up with, and we're also trying to promote it with hotels and so forth. The mirror surround with the bronze acid treated, looks like they have a light out. The box up above with the crown molding. I don't know if you guys can see this, I hope you can. But if not, I'll try to get some lights and come back and make another video. So that's the women's restroom, and just to let you know, I handmade all the doors. These doors weigh about 200 or 300 pounds a piece. They're all handmade solid wood. They're 2 1/4 inches thick. They have a half-inch thick wood panel. That's why the doors are thicker than normal. Normally they're 1 3/8 inches. But what this does is this helps with soundproofing in the restroom. So it's really quiet. You know, this is a mortuary, so, you know, if somebody's going to the restroom, you don't want to hear all the movement and everything that takes place. Water going on, off and on, the flushing of the toilets and everything can't be too exciting right in the middle of a funeral. So, and again, these are the handmade moldings, similar to what you saw on the Perry project. And again, the baseboards, they're about 12 inches tall. And again, all handmade. Again, this is the storage room door. Then on top of the wall we put a crown molding to hide the bow nose. So, and just to give you an idea, when I came in on this project, where that floating ceiling was, they were just going to put a black curtain over there. Here in St. George, there's not a whole lot of people that are into design and making things different, and that's what I'm all about, is being different than everybody else. I do not like to copy people, or I like to be original. And so we came up with the original design. They were going to use like a 5.5-inch baseboard and just regular trim around the doors, and we turned this into a high-class looking mortuary. So any of you people out there that have mortuaries, please contact us, because we can come up with a fantastic theme for your mortuary and really dress it up and make it look stately. I believe a mortuary should look stately and really high class, especially if it's going to be the last day that you're going to be here. So anyhow, this is Matt at Renaissance, and hope you've enjoyed the tour.